Today we're talking about 3 steps to write a book in a weekend using AI. This is called the More AI writing method. AI stands for author intelligence. Because if you're doing this, it's gonna make your book better. It's gonna make you as an author more intelligent. It's gonna make your frameworks, your writing, it's gonna make everything better. I've got a bunch of prompts and pages that you can just copy and paste into your favorite LLM. There's 2 big traps that people fall into when it comes to using AI with their book. The first one is head in sand syndrome. So this is the people who say AI is the worst thing to ever happen to creatives, it's stealing your work, you can't use it, you shouldn't use it. These people are gonna be absolutely toast. They're not gonna succeed in the future of how work and how creative stuff gets created. Now, secondly, this might be worse. This is the AI slot people. These are the folks who just say, hey, yeah, you can press a couple buttons. Did you know that you can get rich on your phone using AI? This is scammy, it's spammy. And so what I actually think that you should be doing instead of falling into these 2 traps is using AI to write better books, not just to write faster books, not just to totally ignore it, but to write better books. But before you even start that, you need to nail these 2 things, okay? The first one, this is kind of a 2-parter. So obviously you gotta get clear on your topic. What's your book idea? What's the genre? All the things. But then you also gotta get clear on your what we call the 4 Ps of a best-selling book. This is really important. Person, pain, promise, price. The better you define these, the better you're going to be able to use AI to help you write a better book. The 4 Ps, person, who's the one person that you're writing to. Define that as best as you can. It's even better if you have a person that you actually know that you can use as a reference. What's the pain that they have, that they know that they have? And then what's the promise with the book? Now the 4th P is price. You can get to that later. That's really important to define up front. Now the second thing is kind of a nice to have, I'm not gonna lie. This is gonna make everything else so much more effective, and it's gonna help beyond the writing of the book, but it's also gonna help make sure that the book that you write is aligned with your long-term goals. And that's filling out the 1-page launch plan. You can check out the video all about that. In 15 minutes, you're gonna have ultimate clarity on your book. You can obviously book a call with our team if you wanna do that. We've published thousands of books at selfpublishing.com. This is what we excel at. We wanna get you clear in a single page why this book exists, why are you writing it, what are the goals, what is it aligned to, and if you use that as part of this writing process as well, it's gonna make everything more effective. So this is where we start getting into the AI writing prompt toolkit. So you can click the link in the description, you can download this. It's kind of the first prompt is training it on your voice, and then that's gonna lead into what we call the M in the More Writing method, okay? And the M stands for mind map. There's 3 ways that you can use AI to accelerate this process. And so first thing that you can do is use it to mine your content. So you can point it in the direction of videos that you have, blog posts that you've written, past any repository of data, and say, hey, here's the overarching topic that I'm writing on. Can you come up with all the ideas or stories that I might include in my book? So that's one way to do it. The second one, I really love this, is I like to have you record a 5 to 15 minute voice memo. So just press record and then go to that person in the 4 Ps, right? Person who this book will be most helpful for, and say, hey, can I take 5 to 10 minutes just telling you about my book, what it's about and how it might help you. And then they also might ask you questions and stuff. And that's gonna help give it more context to form the mind map for your book. And then the third piece you can do is you can just ask it to interview you. Now you can do this in text if that's your better format. If you like to get a question and say, all right, I'm a better writer than I am speaker, great, do that. Or I mean, all these AI tools is really, you can just have a 2-way conversation. So say, interview me, ask me questions. It'll ask you a question, you answer it. It'll ask you another question, you answer it. And so it's forming the structure of the mind map for the book. Now let's move to the O in the More Writing method, which stands for outline. Now that's where we're moving to what we call the book blueprint prompt, which is really just an outline. And what I want you to do is go AI first. So ask AI to say, hey, I want a 15 chapter outline. I like that as a basic reference point, because let's say you've got 5 sections of ideas, you've got 3 chapters per section. Now you got a 15 chapter outline. It could certainly be a lot more than that, right? If you're doing short, succinct chapters, but that kind of gets you in the ballpark, just using this to illustrate writing a book about getting my pilot's license. And I said, hey, create an outline. I learned from this school, I learned in this specific plane, like I want this specific to this type of person. It spit it out. Oh my gosh, I wish I had that when I started flight school. It would have helped me know the steps that were coming. Now I have a starting point. Really important, double underline that starting point, because now I can go through and I can say, all right, it's missing a point here. I don't like the order or structure of this. I can make this outline better. Now we move to the R in the more writing method. This is rough draft. Now there's 3 key steps here. The first one is your voice profile. So training AI to write like you. This could be a Claude skill. This could be a project. This could be the context. We've got this in here. So there's prompts to help you build your voice profile, feed it samples of your writing, and then give it feedback. Do that before you start just sending it off on a quest to write the rough draft of your book. And then we move into the step 2, which is write ugly, edit smart. Spoiler alert, this is the same as human writing. I'm a C-level English student and a college dropout with ADHD. My writing is ugly, but I hire great editors, and it's the best money that I ever spend because they turn my 3rd grade papers into best-selling books. But what I want you to follow is this 10-80-10 model. I think this is Dan Martell that came up with this. It's basically the first 10% is you. You create the outline, you create the core ideas. You make sure that the better and more comprehensive this outline is, the better the AI is gonna write that book. Then AI does that middle 80%, so it expands and drafts. Now you're gonna do this likely 1 chapter at a time using the chapter drafting prompt. Again, you can download this for free in the description. That final 10 is you edit heavily and you inject stories, examples, and personality. So unless you've trained the AI really well on going out and finding those things, that's probably the part that you're gonna have to do the most. Maybe you have a story catalog, or maybe you can prompt it to say, hey, go through my past social media posts and find stories that I've told. Now the E in the more writing method stands for edit. So we've got a couple things that I won't go super in depth on in this playbook that you can download below. So there's the anti-slop editing prompt. Then there's the consistency check prompt. This is important to make sure it's not hallucinating. And then there's the reader experience prompt. Think of it like beta readers. And then there's the final polish prompt. Okay, these are all prompts that you can use once the rough draft of your book is written. Now, if you want us to go in depth on how to use AI to edit your book, comment the word edit. We have a team of editing experts on our team that are refining this process as we speak to not just edit faster. That's the real big thing I want to emphasize here, is to create better books. Now let's talk about recommended AI writing tools. Claude is obviously at the top, at least at the time of recording this video. We love Gemini, but it's really anything that has as much context on you as possible. So if Claude isn't connected to your stuff, yeah, it's probably not gonna be as useful. Pseudo-Write is a good one for fiction writing. If you're trying to go deep on editing, Pro Writing Aid, they've got some good features that they've shipped. Hemingway, that's a free tool that you can use. Obviously there's paid versions as well. For brainstorming, you can use ChatGPT or other tools. And then for formatting, Atticus and Vellum, those are pretty good tools as well. We're also building a tool in-house. We format, I don't know, 2 to 5 books a day, and those tools can't do quite what we want. That is the gist of it. Now, final piece here, if you want our help with your book, obviously you can click the link down below, book a call with my team, and we'd love to chat with you about your book, your goals, how we can help. And then the next video I'd recommend that you watch is our video around the 1-page launch plan. So if you haven't done that yet for your book, we'll link that up here, and I'll see you in the next video.